Question 5. Due to the recent downturn in economic activity, Taz has seen his hours at work reduced. He used to work 30 hours a week at $13 an hour, but he now works 22 hours. So I guess we can say his original income is going to be, what, 30 times 13, that's 339, maybe. His new income is going to be 22 times 13. I'm not even going to try to do that one in my head. $286. Let's check the first one too. 32 times 13 is 390. Close though. Solid effort. Due to this change, he noticed he purchased more boxed macaroni and cheese, up from 1 box a week to 4. He also reduced his purchase of Coke from 2 12-packs to 1 12-pack per week. So right away, not sure if it's actually going to be relevant to the question, but his income falls and his consumption of a good increases. That means it's an inferior good. So his income fell. Now he's purchasing more mac and cheese. So that's an inferior good. Mac and cheese inferior goods are typically, I like to think of it as like things I would only eat in college. So things that when your income is lower, you're going to buy more of. So like Mr. Noodles, mac and cheese, beans, things of that nature. And he reduces his purchase of Coke from 2 12-packs to 1 12-pack. So question 1. Oh, there's a lot of questions on this one. Probably not going to go through all of this just for sake of time. I've only got 25 minutes left and I have 3 more questions. So, but what is the income elasticity of Taz? So first we need to calculate the change in quantity. So he originally is consuming only 1 box of mac and cheese. Hard times hit. He now has to start eating 4 boxes of mac and cheese. Poor guy. So our change in quantity is going to be 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Do the same thing with his income. Our junior tutor denoted them M. I've already denoted them I. Same thing. So his original income is 390. And now he only makes 286. So change in income. Change in income is going to be negative $104. Yes. And then we calculate the elasticity. It's going to be change in quantity over the change in income. Times the original income, 390, divided by, I guess I should call this I1. divided by the original quantity. This is a 1. So if we look up here, we got change in Q to a 3. Change in I equal to negative 104. Then I1, I1 was 390. And the original quantity was 1. So this gives us an income elasticity of negative 11.25. Boom. What type of good is macaroni and cheese for Taz? As we said, his income decreased and his consumption increased. Therefore, this is inferior. I'm not going to go through the same exercise to get the income elasticity of Coke. What type of good is Coke for Taz? We see that his income falls, and as a result, his consumption of the good falls. So therefore, for part 4, we can say that this is a normal good. So to reiterate one more time, inferior goods, if your income were to increase, you'd consume less, or if your income were to fall, you consume more. Normal goods, income goes up, consumption goes up, income goes down, your consumption goes down. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna move on here for the sake of time. Because I don't want to run over my stream and run into the next person's. I'll give you guys a quick second to take a picture of that.